Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we will be learning how to change language in Knives Out application. To change the language setting in Knives Out, first of all, open up the Knives Out app on your device and make sure that you are inside this login screen. Now click on the language option on the right hand side of the screen, and from the language options, you can choose the language of your preferences. There are some limited language available. Simply tap on one of these languages and click on confirm, and the game will refresh or restart using the new language setting. And that's how you easily change your language in Knives Out quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more easy tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.